ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Thank you, Sangat Ji, for a beautiful evening. May the Divine bless all of you. So that you can fulfill the purpose of your life. Find that peace inside you. Find that harmony inside you. Stay with the Sangat. But that Sangat which connects you to the one divine, not to themselves. Stay with your mantra wherever your faith lies. Understand yourself. If you look at the animal kingdom, they live in one nature, whether that be on land, in sea, or on the air. And yet, you look at the human life, where we were supposed to be human beings, reflections of the one divine. We have an animal minds, demonic minds, pious minds, jealous minds, angry minds, frustrated minds, devious minds, egotistic minds. How many natures do we carry? And yet, do we ever sit and think when these natures change within us, how quickly they change? One minute you are pious, next minute you're devious, calculating, fraud, deceiving. Then suddenly you become pious and holy. Then you become the devil. Sangatji, this is the challenge. And if we do not understand ourselves, then we will fail. We have one priceless life. Stop deceiving ourselves. Stop kidding ourselves. For at the end, there will only be one loser, yourself. We are kidding nobody, only ourselves. Stay in the Sangat. Understand who you are. And then through the guidance, the right guidance, the unpolluted guidance, that guidance which is not interested in your money or your respect, but that pure guidance who is going to connect you to the higher self, then make that journey through the Sangat, through Seva, and through Simran. God bless you all, Sangatji. Reflect upon yourselves. Do not waste time, otherwise time will waste you. And you will have nothing to show but a wasted life. Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.